This is the Husky 15-piece screwdriver kit. It is sponsored by the Home Depot. However, that never interferes with our thoughts and reviews of their products. Now this 15-piece Husky tool set is only $29.97. So under 30 bucks, you're getting 15 screwdrivers. So how's the quality? I will say pretty impressive. You get a 5-lobe design. It feels kind of like a soft rubber. It's not too soft. It's got a nice firm feel, but you get that soft texture on that rubber overmold, if you will. You also have hardened tips on this, and you get these varying lengths and sizes. And in like your Phillips number 2, you get several of them, long and short. So those are kind of your main go-tos, as well as your 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch straight slots. So again, there's 8 straight slots and 7 Phillips in this kit. It's really hard to beat, especially when you look at lifetime warranty on these. Now, over a year ago, we actually got to visit the actual Home Depot engineering, kind of the underground engineering, where they test all their Husky tools. And I will tell you that their testing methods were kind of off the charts. Very impressive in the strength testing that goes on, as well as their ergonomic testing. And then they also gather all the feedback from pros like us, from people like you as well. It's hard to not recommend something, again, like a 15-piece kit that's under 30 bucks with a lifetime warranty and that does have a nice tip, has a nice handle. What else on a screwdriver kit? Where else can you get 15 pieces for 30 bucks? So I'd highly recommend it. Check them out at Home Depot. See if you like them. Also, keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Have a great day.